What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. And today I finally got my AirTag. Yes, I am a little bit late, but that's because this is customized for me, for the channel. So without further delay, let's get this unboxing started and let's get the AirTag set up. All right, so the first thing that we see is it requires iOS or iPad OS with the latest software, 14.5. And if you have the developer beta, you can get 14.6. An iCloud account, it says replaceable battery, which is included CR 2032. That's great that they have a removable battery. So let's peel this and let's get started on this unboxing. I mean, it's just AirTags, right? Or AirTag, I'm sorry. Oh, there's a bunch of paperwork in here. So, question to you guys. Do you guys keep, like, your boxes? Like, are you going to keep this AirTag box? I mean, I do. So, Apple 1-year limited warranty. Yeah, I don't read that. I don't really care. Safety and handling. I don't care about that either. I care about the AirTag. All right, so there it is. So, 1, got to update and turn on Bluetooth. Okay. And then 2 is hold near device. Okay. All right. And there is the AirTag. So let's pull it out. Wow. Okay. All right. That is actually very small. Like, I feel like I can lose this, and I didn't purchase any like keychain or whatnot yet. So I'm just going to have to wait until I do pick that up. But that is actually really cool. I'm actually going to peel this right here. Wow. I'm going to put it back on afterwards because I don't want this getting scratched, but that is nice. AirTag designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, Bluetooth ultra wideband. All right. And you know what? There we go. There it is, MTG. There is my customized AirTag. MTG, my initials, the channel name as well. But let's get this started. Set up. So I think what we got to do is first we got to pull this tab. So here we go. There we go. Wow, that was cool. I'll hold it up next to the iPhone, I think. Turn on Bluetooth. Let's try that again. Okay, so I did realize that my iPhone SE is, there we go, AirTag. I'll explain that in a sec. Continue. So backpack, bike camera, I'm probably going to use keys. Wow, they actually got a bunch of, let's do keys. Use this iPhone. Okay, I'm going to have to blur that out. That is actually really nice, the setup. Ooh, shh. That was a cool noise. All right, so let's find my iPhone. Find my, oh, where is it? Items. My keys are right here. They're right here. That is pretty cool. Wow, that is really nice, actually. Okay, so, wow. If you look at that, it says 1.08 feet nearby, and as you get closer to the AirTag, there we go. It's here. Now that is super nice. All right, and you can really use these essentially for anything, for luggage, your keys, your backpack, whatever it is. See, it already has fingerprints. And the reason why I switched from my iPhone SE was because it's on 14.2, and I use my iPhone SE for developer betas and new software when it comes out. But there it is. There is AirTags, or in this case, AirTag customized specifically with my initials for the channel. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, subscribe and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure to turn on the bell notifications icon, as it does help out the channel a lot and will push my content out to more viewers. And if you want to see more content like this, more Apple content, oh, it's vibrating. Whoa, that was weird. Okay. If you want to see more content like this, please be sure to turn on the bell notifications icon. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Ooh, wow. That's nice. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.